long selfie stick. It's pretty incredible what you can do with that small camera. Hello, and it's a time to round up another year, another season, 100+ episodes. I've been trying to show you new places, new dive sites and new adventures. It's been pretty interesting for myself. This year became a little bit busier than previous one. From the perspective of growth, this channel, it's only 251 new subscribers, if I remember right. Definitely I deserve way more, but on the other hand, when I started it wasn't really about the subscriptions. It was about to keep myself busy. To say that I don't care about it, definitely that's not really true. I really care. The original idea of this channel was to show you what I'm enjoying in my life and to share it with you. I think I've been doing it at full speed. Most probably I'm the good example how to gain only 1,000 subscribers within 2 years. That's not a really good result, because constantly there is always floating up all these videos from the YouTube where someone is telling how to gain 1,000 subscribers only in 24 hours. For me it's been 24 months. Another thing what I understood within these 2 years is that it's pretty stupid to talk about the plans, especially in these times. We cannot control anything, the new things coming up, and we are absolutely out of any schedules or any plans at all. That's why I decided that in a future episode I will not talk about the plans anymore. I will make plans definitely, but we'll stay quiet about it. Thanks to the channel, I visited so many interesting places and learned a new things. Episodes really depends on how the things will go on. And at the same time, I have so many videos which no one was watching. That's the videos from the very beginning. Do you still remember the time when me and Laura was here absolutely alone, no one else? Great times. So what comes next? I think I will focus a little bit on the shorts. So what it will be the shorts, it will be some small details of my episodes, which will give a chance to bigger auditory to see them and maybe get interested in my channel. So what's this year been about? It was about hikes. It was about diving. It was about Laura's macro photography. And it was about our life, so that's what it's been about. Hope you enjoyed this year, same as we did, and you will keep following us in our new adventures, because it can be pretty tough sometimes, so that's why we definitely need your support, kind of your attention. As you maybe already noticed, all of this episode became a little bit more dynamic comparing to the first year when I was uploading every single day. So I had more time to edit and color grade. At the same time, I got some, by the end of this year, we got some new cameras, so which is also giving a little bit different and more interesting footage. Laura got her camera. Most probably on this channel will be also 360 videos. I will upload them separate. It's gonna be different playlists. Next couple of days I will make playlists for different things like hikes. It will be dive sites, it will be areas, and it will be Laura's videos, macro photo or macro videos. I'm feeling pretty excited about this. I wasn't really patient kid. I lost interest for the things pretty fast. With little views and little subscribers, I'm just still keep going. And that's what I can promise you, that I will keep going. And maybe one day it will bring me somewhere, to more subscribers, to more views, so more people will appreciate what I'm doing. But to those who are already in this together with me, I just want to say thank you, big thank you to everyone who encouraging me, who's giving me some advices and encouraging me to keep going. Thank you very much. All right, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.
Now I am telling you, I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but nothing never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.